going, everybody? Gabe here, and I thought I would hop on because we have quite a few leads building up in our backlog for single family, and we need to get the analyses done. So I thought I'd hop on here and give you guys a daily deal analysis. So without further ado, let's jump into this. So to remind you guys, the way that we do deal analyses, everybody does it different. The way that we do it is we create an offer options for the seller before we actually go to the property, just to make sure that we're on the same page numbers-wise as the seller. So we'll talk with the seller, figure out the condition of their property, what repairs need to be done, et cetera, et cetera. And then we go and we do market analysis in the back end, figure out about what we think the property is worth, and then send them that offer so they know, this is what we think we can offer you. Are we in the same ballpark? So that's what I'm doing here. I'm creating the first offer that goes in the offer analysis. Okay, so yeah, that's where we're at. How did we get this lead? This lead came through Kartra, or through Carrot, so it's our website, greatnorthwesthomebuyers.com. This was looks like, I don't know, we don't have a motivation, so I'm not sure why this person is looking to sell, but they are looking for an offer. So I'm just going to jump into it. This is a house based out of Spokane, Washington, which is a pretty big metro on the eastern side of Washington State. It's probably about 5 hours from where we live. So let me just share my screen so you guys can follow along. There we go. All right. So the first step is always we go and we figure out about what the property is worth. Just using house valuators like I use Pelago for anything up in the Pacific Northwest because I feel it has a pretty good value system. So a lot of people also use Zillow. Zillow is a fine one. I find that Zillow tends to overvaluate properties when they are in higher value areas. So in lower value areas, it tends to get it right. In higher value areas, Zillow is like, this is $1 billion property, which it isn't. There's never been a $1 billion house sold. So come on, Zillow, get on the same page. So anyways, I'm going to use Pelago and Zillow. But Pelago's not, oh, there we go. Let's see what they say about this Gordon Ave property. We got 157 for Pelago. Whoo, doggies, that's low. And we got 219 for Zillow. I know this area, pretty nice insides. I'm going to go with Zillow's number on this one. Sorry, Pelago. Next time, buddy. So let's go back to this one. What did that say? 1494. 1494 for the square footage. What did we say the value was? 219. Man, too many screens. Yeah, usually I have two screens. So this is a little bit easier. So 219 is the offer price, or is the after repair value. So we always offer 3 different options for people. We offer a equal monthly payment option with a higher down payment, and then we offer a seller finance with interest-only payments, and then we offer all cash for flips. We send all of these just so they get an idea of the different options that they have. So the next step is to go and figure out what the rent is in this area. If I remember right, wait, what was this? This was where'd it go? It's 3-bed. This is a 3-bed. So yeah, no. We're going Spokane. Go to Spokane. Are we in Spokane? Yes, we are. Okay, 3 beds in Spokane go to $1,350 for the average rent. So we're going to go ahead and plop that down in here. There's 1 3-bed, and it goes for $1,350. All right, and again, the seller said that the repairs, it was in very good condition, and based on the pictures, we can see that there's virtually no repairs that need to be done. So I'm just going to do maintenance. Maintenance, even when sellers say that there's nothing that needs to be done, maintenance is sometimes, is usually pretty accurate. I'm going to go ahead and say 100% of the value there with a Sorry, I'm just thinking here through what to offer this seller. If he can do seller financing, then we can definitely go above the Zillow market price, because I'm looking at this number down here. 214 is the cash flow. If you can get a seller financed option with no equal monthly payments, so no interest on this seller financed option, you can basically take that cash flow down to next to zero. I usually keep it 50 or $100. Reason being is that there's no interest on this loan, and the down payment should be a lot higher, actually. Oh, no, that's perfect. Down payment should be 10% on that one. So 260, so we're going to go even higher. We're going to go 120%. We'll give him 241. The reason that this is, I mean, it's favorable to us because there's no interest, so the price there is the price that we get. It's also good for him because he gets more down up front. So we're going to say 250 payments. So at 100, oops. So I'm just going through and making sure that we do cash flow on this property. It does have to be above zero, or else it's not an investment. Okay, so that is equal monthly payments. Now we're going down to seller financing. This is where he gets more money based on interest. So the total cost of the loan for this one will be $289,000 compared to the $241,000 we're offering here. So that's the seller financed, the equal monthly payments, and then the interest only payments. And now we get down to the all cash offer. And this one is also just a maintenance rehab because it was in pretty good condition. And we always put a wholesale fee in there just in case we decide to wholesale it. So our all cash offer is going to be $116,000, which one little sniff test that I like to do is to make sure that the all cash offer is lower, or about 1% of the purchase price, the gross monthly rent is 1% of the purchase price. So the gross monthly rent is $1,350, purchase price $116. So I'm actually going to increase that because we are looking for rentals. 75, so 127. Sorry, it's really hard to actually think about an analysis and then talk about it as you go through it. So I'm still learning the skill. It's a new one. So those are the different options that we're going to be sending to the seller. We have option one, which is equal monthly payments. They're going to get 10% down at $24,000 with a loan term of 275 months. With a principal payment of $792 each month, which will give us a cash flow of $18 based on a rent of $1,350 and an operating expense ratio of 40%. And that stands true for option two, which is interest only. And this one is going to cash flow $230 a month. However, it is going to be an interest-based loan, and so they're going to get more in the end. And then option three will be the all cash. So that is the total. That is the total offer there. So I'm going to go ahead over to our offer letter creator. Get this bad boy pumped out. All right, current record. There we go. Now I'm going to clean up these guys because nobody likes those decimals. Ain't nobody like decimals. They're ugly. All right, get that out of here. Get out of here, decimals. Get out of here. Nobody likes you. Okay, decimals are gone. And then we're going to add a little, throw in a couple commas there because people like commas. Commas, they give you a good sense of the number. If anybody knows how to tell Word to automatically add commas in a mail merge, I would be eternally thankful for that piece of advice because it'd be gold. I really want to figure out how to do that. So that's our offer. Oops, that is the wrong person though. That's a problem. So I'll fix that after this video. So that's our offer. Now I'm going to send it off in email to the seller. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, reach out. If you guys want this Excel, our analysis Excel, let us know. We can. We're offering it free in our course, which is also free, free all around. So if you want that, go to therealestateinvestingclub.com. Check it out there. And otherwise, I hope you guys have a good day. Check out the rest of our episodes. They should be coming soon with all of our with our new podcast. So check out our channel. Check out Spotify, blah, blah, blah. Check out all those good things. We're going to be sending out some good vibes into this world with our real estate podcast. So till next time, hope you guys have a good day. If you have questions, reach out, and talk to you later. Thank you for joining us on the Real Estate Investing Club. If you've watched this far, I'm sure you've gotten a little bit of value out of this. So we would appreciate it if you hit that thumbs up, share it with your friends or family, whatever it may be. And if you'd like to share or partner with us on a deal, we absolutely love partnering on deals and are always looking for quality projects. Go to www.therealestateinvestingclub.com to get in contact with one of our partners. Otherwise, I hope you guys have an absolutely fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you on the next episode.